Hello, we are back with a trading recap video. Today, I was not planning on taking a trade. Not gonna lie, I was not planning on taking a trade whatsoever. But I ended up taking a trade. Okay, let me just pull up everything real quick. One second. One second. Bingo, bingo, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom. Okay, we're back. So today, I was not thinking about taking a trade because of multiple things. First, we have Federal Paul speaking today at 9:20 a.m. We also had a lot of volatility coming to the market on 8:30, which I would gladly take a trade around that time frame. But we have Federal Paul, so I was like, I'm gonna wait until he speaks and then trade. But it ended up being a flop. Like the price action ended up being doo doo, trash, flop. Like it was bad. Okay, so also this is my first time actually doing a full contract on ES. So this is the first time. This is the trade right here. We were looking for shorts. I explained the trade, why we got in it, and everything like that. So first, I started off with I was on NQ and ES this morning. Do some charting out real quick. Do some charts, and then I noticed everything. And this trade was literally the trade I took on Monday, not Monday, Tuesday. I took the exact same trade just like this on Tuesday. So let's go to ES real quick. Had the range right here. So coming into this day, I was bearish. We took out previous day. We took out previous day high. I want to see some lower price action. I want to see the market go down a little bit. Looking at the range of the day, we didn't have like 1 hour or 4 hour I got to go off of. Just all of these, yeah. All of these, we got this bullish fair value gap right here, bullish fair value gap right there. But once it starts seeing this candle, disrespected, this candle just going wicking down and down and down, just lower, lower, lower. I was thinking about taking out these lows right here, and then my final TP was honestly going to be way down here, which I didn't catch that because the trade, when I took this trade, I was on the way to work. So I hopped in on a short right here. So let me explain everything. Let me take this off real quick. So market open right here. Federal Paul speaks around 9:20. So literally right then and there, it was a dud. Like it wasn't sporadic. It wasn't volatility. It wasn't nothing. It was as soon as the news came out 9:20, doo doo news. Like it was trash news. So I'm like, alright, man. Like we don't have nothing to go continue higher off of, and then we also have all this sell side imbalances right here. The sell side liquidity that we can run through, and then balance out price action. So I'll wait until 9:30 open. I'm starting to leave some of this stuff off. This is just a range. Get that off. Wait until 9:30 open. 9:30 opens right here. Make this huge bearish 15-minute bearish fair gap right there. We trade back into that. So we got our retracement. So when I get a retracement on the 15-minute, I typically jump right into the 1 minute because the 5-minute it's not gonna have it. And as you can see, like we didn't have it. We had it right here. We came back into it right there. But we waited a bit. So I took this trade off close proximity to the fair value gap right here. So you had that 5-minute right there, fair value gap. We break down, we take these lows out right here. All these sell side lows are here, all this right here, just all sell side liquidity lows that we just take out all right here. Took those, we break below this low, make a fair value gap right here. I wait until we trade back into the fair value gap. Now at this time right here, I was getting ready for work, so I still have my charts on my computer on, but I was like, alright, if this setup doesn't like show like within like right now, then I'm not gonna get in. Like I'm just not gonna trade today. And I was telling myself like I was like I am perfectly fine with not taking a setup today because first of all, Federal Paul this week, and I tend to not like to trade on those days. But I was like, if the setup shows up right now, I'm gonna take the setup. It showed up right literally now. So I was on a 1 minute. The trade showed up on the 2 minute too, but 1 minute for leg up right here. Traded back into right there. I took the short basically off this break counter right here. Literally off this candle. As soon as it finished, I was like, alright, you know what? I'm gonna take a short. Took the short right there. And my TP were this 15 minute for leg up right here. Was it 15? Yeah, 15, yep. Right here. Because what I did was I got the range low to high basically right here. And below the 50 mark, it was this one right here and also this one. I like this one because it was much clearer, and then it also had a low right here that I could just have as final TP, which was right here at this low. And like price action hit the low, like price action went down, took it to low. When I first got in, it was consolidated just a little bit, so I got in literally off that right there, consolidated just a little bit, came back down. Literally, and then I printed out this 15 minute FVA because I knew it was gonna have some trouble like getting through it. Came back down, came into this 15 minute FVA gap, came right back up, came back into this 1 minute FVA gap right here. Took at that high, was of all those buy sell liquidity right there, and then doinked right back down on this trade. This is another trade I could have took, but I didn't take that. So this is a trade right here. And you know what? I don't have the execution on my computer, but I can show it to you on my phone. I took a screenshot. Because I was like, alright, they're not going to believe me. Where is it at? Bang. Can I see it? Bro, my phone, like, my camera's bad. Let me, right there. Let me see. Come on, focus. Let me try to zoom in. But you can see the signal right there, short right there off that candle, right all the way down into the bottom right there, at the bottom tick. Boom. Big day, honestly, big trade day right here. Very good trade. I wasn't and I was watching my emotions too. Like I was like, when I was driving, I was like, I'm not gonna check it, because like I knew like I was gonna be like stressing, or not stressing, but like just after you lose, like you get that little feeling of, alright, lost the trade, let's get over it. But I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna check it. I'm just gonna sit back and just let my because I had a what's name right here. I had a notification right here. Not a notification, but a what's name. Alert right there at the bottom to let me know like TP hit, and then do I still have the alert on my phone? I don't even have it because I cleared my screen, but yeah. Trade was good for today, giving us a 1 to 3.48. Really good trade. That'll be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching.